In today's video, we will talk about an exciting new feature called DIY vests. Vests are one of the most sought after features on the Vested platform. Vests are constructed with specific goals or themes in mind. But what if you want to create your own basket of stocks and ETFs based on your analysis? Vested has now made this possible. To create your own vest, click on DIY vest on your dashboard. Now, click on Create New Vest. Search for the stocks or ETFs and add to the vest by clicking the plus sign. Additionally, 3 tabs are displayed: Top Weekly Gainer Stocks, Top 10 Stocks by Market Cap, and Popular Stocks on Vested. You can also select stocks from these lists to add to your vest. Proceed and give your vest a name. Now, let's look at weights. By default, the percentage allocation between your chosen stocks will be equal. You can assign unique weights to your selected stocks. Next, you have the choice to rebalance your vest manually or proportional to the market cap. You can also change the allocation by clicking the plus or minus button against the selected stock. Once you're happy with the allocation, click on Create Vest. There you go, your vest is ready. By creating your own vest, you can track a specific strategy easily or use it as a custom watch list. Once you're ready to invest, click on Buy. Enter the amount equal to or more than $50 to kickstart the investment in your vest. Last but the most fun aspect of vests, share it with your friends and family and grow together.